Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Did you know that most of the universe is made up of something we can't even see? It's called dark matter, and it's one of the biggest mysteries in space. Scientists know it's there, but it's almost impossible to detect. In this video, we'll explore what dark matter is, why it's so hard to find, and how it holds the universe together. What is dark matter? Imagine you're looking up at the stars. Everything you see, from planets to galaxies, makes up only a small part of the universe. But there's a hidden force that makes up about 85% of the universe. That's dark matter. It doesn't emit light or energy, which is why it's invisible to us. Scientists believe it's there because of how it affects things we can see, like how galaxies move and how gravity works in space. Why is it so hard to detect? Here's the tricky part: dark matter doesn't interact with light, so we can't see it directly. We can't touch it or capture it in a lab. The only way we know it's there is by looking at its effects on other objects. Think of it like wind. You can't see the wind, but you can see trees swaying. Dark matter is like that wind, influencing everything around it, even though it's invisible. How does dark matter hold the universe together? So, why is dark matter important? Well, it's kind of like the glue that holds the universe together. Without dark matter, galaxies would fly apart because there wouldn't be enough gravity to keep them together. It's like having an invisible hand that keeps everything in place. Even though dark matter is one of the universe's greatest mysteries, scientists are getting closer to understanding it every day. By studying how galaxies move and using advanced technology, we may one day solve the mystery of what makes up most of the universe. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.